Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Asset Management Report. Today is Wednesday, October 15, 2008. Fund Action Daily reports that Delaware Investments has named Scott Coleman as its head of distribution and marketing. Coleman had been a managing director at Goldman Sachs Asset Management prior to joining Delaware Investments. He also worked at Lockwood Financial Group, where he served as director of high net worth services and spent 11 years with Smith Barney Consulting Group as senior vice president, director of research. Staying with asset management news, representatives of the 5 Icelandic pension funds are currently discussing with Icelandic authorities the possibility of acquiring a majority stake in Kaupthing Bank, which has now been nationalized. The director of Pension Fund of Commerce told local media that the funds have been working on a plan to help them reclaim some of the funds that have been lost when Kaupthing was nationalized. And in more asset management news, according to Finance Minister Michael Cullen, New Zealand's government wants the nation's $8.8 billion pension fund to invest in more local companies. Cullen told Bloomberg News that the Labour will consult on what changes to current settings would most facilitate increased investment in New Zealand. He didn't detail what types of assets he wants the fund to invest in. And in other asset management news, China's sovereign wealth fund faces another embarrassing investment snafu after putting about $5 billion in a U.S. money market fund that froze redemptions following losses on holdings. The Wall Street Journal in Asia reports that an official on China Investment Corp confirmed it had made the investment as of September 1st. CIC owned 11.13% of institutional class shares in the Reserve Primary Fund through a unit called Stable Investment Corp. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Asset Management channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.